Hey guys, I have an unboxing video for you guys on the JVC HD Everio camcorder. The dimensions are 1920 to 1080 resolution, and it's JVC. It has a 80 gigabyte hard drive built in it, and the original pricing was around $679. And I purchased it for about $500 plus tax. So on the side we have JVC, and it says the number, and right here is the camera right there, and then here we have all the requirements, which it uses actually Mac OS, so I'm good for that. And yeah, so that's it on the top, and at the bottom there's nothing much. So I'll get into the unboxing. Alright, so I'm just peeling that tape off, and it is in brand new condition. Sorry about that. Alright, so now we'll open this up. So here we are. We have just open it up. And we have the warranty, the instruction manual. I'll read through that and get all the information about it in French, and program, JVC program for your computer. And we just get the booklets, easy learn booklets, and that's my information. Alright, and here we have the little flyer, the advertising flyer. So, okay, let's just open this thing up. And I'll start off. Here we have the JVC remote for the camera, with all the zoom, power on off, play, forward, all the buttons. And we also have the audio and video cable. Oh, sorry, the audio and video cable right here. And then we have the mini USB to transfer the files. And here we have the AC adapter, the wristband, and the battery. Alright, so that's all that. Now I'll just take the camera out itself. And that's about it. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so here it is. And wow. Look at that. So here's the camera. That's connected to the wristband, and here's the camera itself, right there. On the side we have the hard disk is right on the side, and right here is the battery, and right on the side there's all the specs and stuff. So yeah, guys, let's show you my hand. This is how it looks in my hand. It looks like a perfect camera for me, guys. And yeah, so I'll be using this in my videos. It's HD 100%. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.